So this man is he becomes a scholar. Now, one day the Prophet ﷺ turns around after Salah and he sees Muad sitting there. And he says, فَأَخَذَ بِيَدِهِ, he took his hand. And he says, Ya Muad, inni la uhibbuk. Oh Muad, I love you so much. فَلَا تَدَعَنَّ. Never forget, whenever you finish Salah, to say, Allahumma anta salam. Oh Allah, you are the one that gives peace. Wa minka salam. And from you comes all peace. Tabarakta ya dhal jalali wal ikram. This hadith became a tradition amongst the hadith scholars. Whenever a teacher would teach this statement to their student, they would first grab the student's hand and say, I love you. So don't forget to say, as our teacher sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Oh Allah, you are the source of peace. You know one of the beautiful things we learn from this hadith? If you believe Allah is as-salam, the source of peace, your heart will be filled with love for His creation. If you know Allah, it will fill you with mercy and love. Don't look just at the information the Prophet ﷺ passed down to Muad. Look at how he passed.